So hey hello friends, welcome back to the video. In this video today we are going to see the exercise 7 of operating system, that is implementation of deadlocks avoidance algorithms, that is Blank's algorithm. So here I done the coding by using C++. So this is the header files as include iostream using namespace and int main, initializing n, m, I, j, k, and entering number of processes and entering the number of resources and getting in as an input, storing it as an array format by using for storing it as an array format. I'm initializing certain array of formats. After that, initializing int id and p of m, then looping for k equal to 0, k less than n, and k plus plus, f of k equal to 0, then f of, for I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Save enter details for p less than that is I, then then asking for allocations, then we will use to enter the values and it will get allocated, and entering the max, and by using for loop we are entering the values into it. After that, cout enter available resource. So after this this is getting the available resource as an input. After that, we are making the calculation that need of ij equal to max of ij minus alloc of ij. Since you have to enter new request details, enter process id. So it will get the process id and enter request for resources. After that, it will using for loop. For I equal to 0, I less than m, I plus plus, c in p of I, it will check the condition like if p of I is less than or equal to neither of id of I, if p of I is less than or equal to I will I minus p of I, alloc id of I equal to alloc id of I plus p of I, need id of I equal to need id of I minus p of I. So after checking all this for loop, it will come to another for loop, that is k equal to 0, k less than n, k plus plus. Then finally here you can see another for loop, and it was checking the conditions again and again, like by using various for loops in order to check with the different variables like I and j. After that, after checking, if this comes true, then the flag is equal to 1 and it will break the condition. In case of flag equal to 0, answer index plus plus equal to I, cout pi is visited, or int n, int y equal to 0, y less than m, and y plus plus, avil of y plus equal to alloc of iy, cout avil of y, f of I equal to 1. So all the checks has been completed. Now we are going to print it. So for that, the save sequences for I equal to 0, I less than n minus 1, I plus plus, should p answer of I space, p answer of n minus 1, process allocation max need. So all these things will be printed. So for printing we are using the cout, and printing the allocation is stored in alloc, max is stored in max array, need is stored in need array. So it will get printed by using the for loop. So I will show you by running it. For running C++, we need to give G++ exercise 7.cpp. Okay, I gave a wrong file, that is G++ exercise 7.cpp dot slash a dot out, sorry, dot slash a dot out. So it's asking for number of processes. So the number of processes is like so for number of processes, I think it's 5. Okay, so number of processes 5, resources is 3. For p0, let's give like 0, 1, 0, 7, 5 3. So for P1 2 0 0 and max is like 3 2 2. P2 is 3 0 2 9 0 2. For P3 2 1 1 max 2 P4 0 0 2 2 3 3 and 3 2, that is available resources, and ID is 1, resources 1 0 2. So that's it. The code has been turned successfully and the output has been came. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next video. Until see you next time. Bye.